Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to Jack's Kicks, and today, man, we are here. We are so here, man. We got it. The Maniere Jordan 5 Dusk finally in our possession, man. And you know, a lot of people were scared because a lot of people's orders got canceled. It took weeks for people to just get their shipping confirmation. Like, it is crazy, and I'm so glad I got them in hand now. I already got the Dawn pair, so if you guys want to see that unboxing, make sure you guys check out that unboxing. But for now, we're going to focus on the Dusk pair. And I finally get to see which ones I like better. So, alright, so here is the lid, as you guys can see there, the nice colorway. All right, and here they are, man. We're about to check them out, man. This is my first time seeing them in hand, and wow, okay, we're gonna get, oh yeah, we're gonna get started with this. Hold on. Here's the rest of the box as well. Size 14. But yeah, here's the shoe, guys. As you guys can see here, man, really nice looking shoe. Wow. All right, off rip, I think I have to say it, man. I think I like this pair more. I said it. I said it once I first unboxed the Dawn pair. I was like, the Dawn pair is really, really nice. But there's just something about this black. I don't know what it is. Like, it's just something about the color palette on this and just the way it looks. Like, this shoe. Yeah, I like this one more. I think I like this one a lot more, man. So yeah, so here it is, man. Let's just get into the details. Yeah, so we get a black pair of laces, and we get a sail pair of laces right here. A more cream colorway, a more like age type of colorway. So we got the yellowed outsole as well with the Maniere logo. The Nike logo on here as well, as you guys can see there. Got the Maniere logo all over the, oh wow, that feels good too. Yeah, midsole right there, as you guys can see there. And we got the Maniere. Yeah, I knew I was correct. I knew. I was like, because the Dawn pair didn't have the Maniere logo on the air bubble, but we get it on the black pair. So yeah, that's a cool little touch there too. Got the Nike Air on the back as well. And wow, the Maniere logo in the tongue as well, the tongue area. That's repeated. It's hard to see because it's all black. Nike Air on the inside of the shoe as well. It's kind of hard for you guys to see, but it's embroidered too, so when you wear it, it won't start rubbing off, which is really cool. I don't know why most Jordans don't do that. They need to start doing that. Allowing us to have the embroidered soles really helps, you know, keep the shoe intact, you know, like I like that. Really nice, man. I definitely like this pair more. Got a couple of glue stains or whatever, but it's not that bad, not too bad. Quality wise, like I said, quality wise on these are not too bad, as the other pair as well. They're not too bad either. So really nice quality. Got the Jordan logo on the bottom as well, with the Nike as well. Oh man, this is nice. And obviously we get the same details, same shoe. It says Maniere on the tongue on the inside. Got the A logo on the tongue as well. Wow. Got the age shoe lock as well on both of them. And the Nike logo, Nike Air logo on the back. We got the Stitch 23 as well on here. You guys might be able to see it. It's really dark. Yeah, you guys can see it right there. So yeah, it's really dark, but yeah, you can see it. Man, this shoe is clean. This shoe is it. Hey, I'm a big Jordan 5 fan as well. I love the Jordan 5 so much. One of my favorite silhouettes. And so I am so, as soon as I saw, like, I remember when these first got shown off, I was like, man, I have got to get them. And the fact that I got them both for retail, I'm definitely hyped about that. And the price is definitely dropped for these, so you could definitely get them now. You might want to wait a little bit longer. I'd say wait until next year. Wait until like mid-January to cop these, because obviously people are still getting their pairs in, and still people still haven't got theirs shipped out yet. So people are still waiting, and a lot of people are getting their orders canceled. So once everybody gets their pairs and nobody's really complaining about the shipping and stuff, that's when I feel like it's the best time to cop these if you didn't get them for retail, or if your order got canceled. I highly suggest you guys just wait till like mid-January. That way you guys can get that nice price, and you know, where it's going to just be at its lowest. And then after that, the price is just going to go back up. So you might as well just wait till then. But overall, man, I absolutely like this shoe a lot, man. Let's go ahead and get the other pair as well. All right, so here is the other pair as well. And like I said, like they're both great. Like, these are both two really good looking shoes. I just love the way they look. But honestly, I think I like the black pair more. I think I like the black pair more, man. I don't know what it is. I really cannot tell you guys what I like more about this pair. But there's something to it that's just, like calling me. I'm like, yeah, this is it. But overall, they're both really good. Make sure you guys check out that unboxing for these. But yeah, that's the unboxing. And I'm not too sure what laces I'm going to use for these. I like the black, but I also do like the little cream colorway too. So we'll see what I do. We'll see what I do with it. You know how I do with my sneakers. But that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about these shoes, the Maniere. I know it's been madness with these, with its launch and stuff. But I'm just glad that I finally have them in my possession, man. And now I get to just chill and just wait for the next upcoming release. But that's it, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. I got more unboxings coming up your way for Jex Kicks. And I'm very excited for you guys to see all the other videos coming up soon. I got a lot more coming, so make sure you guys stay tuned. See you guys on the next one. I'm signing out. Peace.